question is often asked, why do we need to perform daily pre-start checks? We do this to confirm that the truck is serviceable and in a safe condition to operate. The first checks are visual. Firstly, see that the vehicle's thorough examination is valid. This is a safety inspection carried out by a competent person to meet legal requirements under PUA and LOLA Regulations 1998. To prevent the engine from damage or the truck from running out of fuel, the engine oil, hydraulic oil, coolant and fuel levels must always be checked and required levels maintained. The forks must be in good condition with no damage or cracks. The locating pins must be fitted and serviceable. The carriage plate is connected to lift chains. These need to be checked that the anchor points are secure. Are there any links missing? Remember, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. The mast is a guide for your rollers. In the event of the truck accidentally tipping over, it then becomes your rollover protection. Wheels, are there any nuts loose or missing? Is there any rim damage? Most trucks at Anglesey Aluminium have solid tyres due to the presence of molten metal. If the stability of a truck is affected by a damaged tyre, it must be changed. Check all other body parts for any physical damage.
The next checks are operational. To carry out these physical checks, you need to access the truck the right way by using 3-point contact.
The left hand to the handle, right hand to the frame, left foot securely onto the step, check for head clearance and swing onto the seat. The wearing of seat belts at Anglesey Aluminium is mandatory. Check the condition of the belt. Also check that it releases, in case you should need to escape from the truck in an emergency. Other checks to be carried out are starting procedure, handbrake on and out of gear before turning the key, lights, audible warning, hydraulics, smooth operation of the controls, up, down, forward and backward tilts, any leaks or damage to hoses, pipes and fittings. Set to the travel position. The forks are 4 to 6 inches from the floor, slightly tilted back. Driving, into gear, all-round checks, release handbrake. Test the brakes. Check the steering. The rear end swing can become a red zone.